Hey, sweet. I have my phone. Oh, you know what?
Now you off this one. Now you off this one. Now you off this one. Now you off this one.
Okay, y'all, so I wanted to show you the wig before I did any customizations to it or whatever, but this is basically the wig that our sister company from Amazon sent me. This is how the wig looks. It is a transparent lace, and it does have the adjustable band at the back. That's one thing I really did like. It did say it was pre-plucked. It was plucked a little bit, as you can see, but, you know, I had to go back in and pluck it, and this is basically how it looks after I did everything. You know, plucking. I kind of over plucked a little bit, so don't look at that.
Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna let it air dry. My sister has to blow dry right now, so yeah. Finna do one more coat, y'all. I'm gonna put it in a ponytail just because when I be style my hair, I'll be feeling like I'll be gonna get the hair on the glue by accident. So I'm about to actually put it into a ponytail. Y'all, so I'm back with the scrunchie. Try the hair. I'm not gonna tight, too tight. Just tight where it's like everything's just together. But y'all, this wig is a little small. Not small, my head is too big. We're gonna have to really see how to make it work so that like when I put it on, because I am gonna try to do like a certain style. So I'm gonna really focus on getting this side down and this part, because this I'm gonna do like a swoop. So yeah, y'all, hopefully everything turns out good, period. Because I feel like I've been really getting better at my wigs, because you know, like once you just keep doing it, you get better. so y'all, since it doesn't show enough lace right there, we're gonna have to do a different hairstyle. Hot comb. Because we don't do, y'all, we don't do bumpy lace. Yeah, oh. Use my Remy wax stick.
It's empire. It's empire. It's empire. It's empire. It's empire. It's
Oh, she came with her nigga. But she gon' slide right to my side. I know she pulled up with her friends. Then we skirt off in the bands. Oh, took her back to my crib.
Todd, can you play that again?
Came with her, came with her. She came with her, with her. She gon' slide right to my side. I know. Put her legs in the sky whenever I.
Okay, y'all, it is time to cut the lace right to my scrunchie. Put that scrunchie back on. So far, y'all, so let me go get the scissors from my sister. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Got the scissors and stuff, but before I do that, I actually do want to, is it recording? Take the edges out that I know I'm gonna want to lay.
Waste no time, 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 waste no time. Nah, she gotta go. She came with her, she came with her. Nah, she gotta go. Nah, she gotta go. She came with her, she came with her. Nah, she gotta go.
Lay down a little bit more, y'all.
I know she pulled up with her friends. Then we skirt off in the bands. Oh, took her back to my crib. And I regret it.
Yo, this is my first time doing a hairstyle. The hairstyle I am trying to do. So I got little rubber bands. That's what we're gonna need.
Back to your back, back to your back, back to your back. Bar to your back, bar to your back, bar to your back, bar to your back, right to my side.
It's Jaked up, Jaked up, Jaked up. You got off in the hurt and Jaked up, Jaked up. We always go into it blindly. I needed to lose you to sorry. This means always killing me softly. I needed to hate you to love me, to lose you to love me. I needed to use you to fuck me. We'd always go up me, we'd always go up me. I needed to use you to fuck me. We'd always go up me, we'd always go up me. I'm needed to lose you to fuck me. Todd, can you play that again? Needed to lose you, needed to find me, needed to lose you, was killing me softly.
Okay, y'all, now that I got that out the way, now I'm about to take the band off, cut the lace. Okay, so I have to go into the eyebrow cutters because when I cut my lace, I don't like to use scissors because I like it to look natural. I don't want like a really neat look, if you know what I mean. Oh, it's coming off.
Just
Okay, time to start plugging in the flat ironer. But I'll be right back. I gotta go get the wig glue. Just took a little bit of glue and put it on my hand because I don't need that much. Put it on the comb.
Can you play that again? It's empire. It's empire. It's
There I can take off them leg stockings. Hey, tripping if I ain't gon' give you a play, get the head pop. Be safe for everybody. I look at it like a everybody. You must be everybody. Last nigga fuck with your head, probably a cheater. I'm a headlights in the air like, baby, I need you. Deep strokes on your.
Okay, that's what I'm gonna do, y'all. Wipe the glue off your hand.
You don't need no visa. Something giving it to you. Baby, I need you. I need you. I need you.
So I'm gonna use the eyebrow pencil. Scissors don't really matter. Let me use the scissors. I like to make them long. Never stop though. I like to make them long just in case, like, you know, I want to be dramatic.
Your head, your head, your head, all I wanted your head, 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 your head. I want rich sex. I ain't the type to be depressed. You don't be giving me no stress, so I know where it's at. All the way you tryna see, what you looking at me for? All I want is LV, I want Gucci on me,
Y'all probably like, why does girl keep walking back and forth? Me and my sister are both in solid wigs recording YouTube videos. So yeah, so spray it out to me. Spray on there.
Bring my
Baby, I need you. 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 Baby, I need you. 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 Deep strokes on your spine, can't wait till I see you. Deep strokes on your spine, can't wait till I see you.
Wait.
all I wanted your
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
I had to go to my room to get bobby pins, so y'all, we finna do it.
Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna try to explain this as much as I can. Basically, the ponytail, y'all, as you can see, I took it and kind of just moved it up to the ponytail. I can't really explain it, but I moved it up, and I took one of them small black rubber bands and wrapped it on top of what's already the ponytail. I wrapped that on top or whatever. I didn't, because I just wanted it to make that look of like what's on it. So the extra hair that's left out, I'm basically using that to wrap around it to cover it. If you understand what I'm saying, to cover like how it's like, you know, up like that. I can't really explain this, y'all, but I purposely didn't speed it up so you guys can see.
Purchase your tracks today.
Okay, so after me spreading the little hairs around, I'm gonna take a bobby pin and kind of pin it down so it's not flying up like that. So basically just take one bobby pin on each side and just pin the sides down so it doesn't look flying like that, and you can get that look of it. Like, I don't know what type of hairstyle this is, but it's cute.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Okay, y'all, I'm gonna come back when my makeup's done. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished result. My makeup, everything looks so good. It's giving me very much 90s old school hairstyle. Literally, this is it, y'all. I really love it. I really like it, y'all. And yeah, like, this is really, it looks really cute. Literally. For this being my first time to do a hairstyle like this too, please stop playing with me. Please stop playing with me, y'all. If you guys want more wig install videos, get at me, y'all. The link to this wig is in the description box. I'll be telling y'all, do not be sleeping on these Amazon wigs. I like to thank Absent for sending Sister. I think that's what the wig company is called. Yeah, this wig was a 20-inch. I love a good 20-inch. It even seemed longer than a 20-inch, to be honest. Like, look at it. I had the 20-inch and it was not this long, y'all. Literally, so definitely longer than the 20-inch. But no, this hair is really so nice, y'all. Literally, please get into it. It's my first, well, no, this is my second colored wig ever. But yeah, the company sent it to me. Sister, yeah, Sister wig, I was right. But yeah, y'all, like they're sending me this wig. The link to this wig will be in the description box, y'all. Just give me scalp real hair. Please don't. That's it. Don't play with me. Please don't play with me, y'all. Literally, stop playing. Y'all want more wig installs? Let me know. Comment down below. And yeah, period. I'm gonna catch you guys next time that I see you. We out. Peace.